Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a money request that you've sent inside of Cash App. If you need help sending a money request, I have a video walking you through the steps to do that, and I'll put the link here. I'll also put a referral code below if you're new to Cash App that gets you a free $5 when you're getting started. Now if you've sent the request but now need to cancel or check the status on it, open the app and from any page tap the activity icon on the top right of the screen. Here you'll see all the activity that you've made inside of Cash App. The top item here is the request that I want to cancel. Tap the pending request. You'll then see the info, who it's sent to, the amount, and if it's still pending or being paid. Tap the three dots on the top right. You'll then see the info again, but under that you'll see cancel. Tap cancel request and then yes to confirm. It will then stop the money request. Now if we look at the item in our activity, we see that it shows canceled. Also, the person that you sent the original money request to will then be alerted that you've canceled it. And that's how you view and cancel a money request inside of Cash App. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.